right. Good morning, beautiful souls. Welcome to my morning routine. So I came up with this morning routine about 3 weeks ago, and I did it for one whole week, but then I got a cold and decided to sleep in, and now I could feel just some yuckiness from not doing it, just feeling some stagnation energy, some heaviness. So I'm feeling better, so I decided to get up and get my morning started like I intended to. So best thing to do right away, beautiful souls, is write down a legible, written, realistic schedule. Okay, so that's what I did. 7:30 a.m. is my wake up mornings. That's a new alarm on my iPhone. I love the sound. Did you guys hear it? It sounds so peaceful when it like first went off for the first time. I was like, oh, this is an alarm clock, a noise, a sound that doesn't annoy me to hear. It's very pleasant. So it's on the iPhone and it's in clock. And so 7:30, I wake up first thing and brush my teeth and clean my tongue. So we'll do that. And meditation and journaling, and we'll go into more of my morning routine in just a minute. So I'll see you in a minute. Morning wake up call. We got lemon water and some aluminum free baking soda in here. Still doing this, been doing this for about 5 years. So this is great to get in your gut first thing because it is alkaline, and sometimes it does make you have a stool. Like, it doesn't give you the runs or anything, it just wakes up the digestive tract. Come on, let's go. Let's go. You ready to go pee? Let's go. Right, I'm gonna take them pee real quick because if not, they will pee in the house. All right, back from taking the doggies potty. I started warming up my breakfast, which I'll show you in a minute what that's going to be. If I'm really tired, beautiful souls, but last night I got some good rest. I've been getting good rest for the last 2 nights, thank God. I will take a shower with peppermint and eucalyptus oil in it to kind of help wake me up. I'm not feeling tired. I woke up today at 7:10 with lots of energy before my alarm clock. So we're gonna get my morning routine started other than my shower. We'll save that for the end, okay? And usually, honestly though, it's the opposite. Usually I'm tired and I need the shower to wake me up. So if that needs to be first for you, then do that. All right. In the bathroom now. We're gonna start with brushing my teeth first thing. I usually actually do that first before I even drink my lemon water. All right, this is my favorite toothpaste. It's Burt's Bees Charcoal Hipsy toothpaste, and we got an electric toothbrush. Is my copper tongue scraper. This is an Ayurvedic tool, which is a sister science to yoga. And every day you scrape your tongue about 3 to 4 times. All right, get that plaque off. Ew, so gross, guys. Can you imagine if you didn't, like how much buildup that would be? All right, super duper easy. All right, mouth feels fresh. One last thing that I do to make my mouth feel fresh, we go into the kitchen. And grab my coconut oil. We're gonna do a oil pool for 10 minutos, 20 minutos maybe actually. So I like to oil pool actually while I meditate. So we're gonna do. So you just get the coconut oil, get the kind from Walmart, nothing fancy, about that much. Hold it in your mouth, don't swallow, don't spit it out for 20 minutes. Now I can't talk, so we're gonna go off to meditate now. Hi, beautiful souls. It's future Mary Self that's ready already and did her whole morning routine, and I'm just here to remind you to like the video, give it a thumbs up if you're loving this content, because it helps my channel grow. Don't you want to see me prosper into the beautiful flower that I am? I truly appreciate it. If you water me, I'll water you back. All right, love you all. See ya. The Sanctuary app on my phone, iPhone, by Rod Stryker, which is my teacher's my yoga teacher's teacher, the guru. And he has peace, heal, empower, spirit, deep sleep courses. Let's do empower. We need some energy today, some inspo.
Please come into a comfortable sitting position, spine tall. If you're using a chair, feet flat, heels same distance apart as the knees. As you settle, go ahead and take several deep, slow, comfortable breaths.
All right, meditation is done. I'll show you the 3 books I'm working with right now. Usually it's only 2. Usually it's one readable book and my journal, but I bought a specific journal about 2 months ago and I love it. It's called The Yogic Path. I'll actually be giving one of these away. Comment down below why you would like to use this book and what you're doing in your morning routine come 2021 to change and shift things up. All right, I love this journal, beautiful souls, because y'all know I'm a yogian. Try to be as best as I can anyway. And right away, I've shared this book several times, but it's my favorite. Today, move towards what makes you feel most expansive. That's what it says at the top. Put the date, magic pin, that is purple. Oh my gosh, it's the 15th? Oh no, it's the 19th. The 19th, and then it has you keep track of your menstrual cycle in the front of the book. So I need to see where I'm at because I actually haven't journaled in this for a couple days. I don't journal every day. I try to, but sometimes it just, well, in this journal specifically, if it's not this one, then it's this one. Okay, and this is a freestyle, like brain dumping. Do whatever you want in this, and then this one gives you a formulation. Okay, so whatever you like, formulation, fast, or brain dumping, whatever you like. I'm in my luteal phase. Luteal, which is pitta energy. Fiery. So my dosha is pitta day. No wonder why I feel motivated to get things done. Definitely was in my coffin with my cold. 3 things you're grateful for. I'm so glad you asked because during my meditation, I was saying things that I was grateful for. I actually started that app, guys, and then like paused it to go charge my camera some more and then forgot to restart it. So I did a self-guided meditation. So I'll tell you the mantras that I came up with. And today I am grateful for, number 1, my heart, my body, and I would have to say my experiences. Today's intentions is to have a calm mind that came to me during my meditation and an open heart. I am healing. My highlight today was, we'll put that later, and then today I learned, and then I love myself because I'm going to put healing is possible. So these are at the bottom of the book. These 2 statements are closure statements, so you do those towards the end of your evening because that's insight that you don't really have till the end of your day. This is my highlight today was today I learned. But right away, today's intentions, calm mind, open heart. I love that. And like, you'll notice that your intentions align so much with what you put. And then at the end of the day, you reflect and you're like, I really served myself in that way. How amazing. So during my meditation, beautiful souls, before we go into our yoga practice, I put my palm on my belly, 1 palm, and 1 palm on my heart, and made sure that I was breathing into my belly on my inhales, because if you're doing reverse breathing, it could add disruptions and disturbances to you. So make sure when you're inhaling, your belly lifts with oxygen, fills up, and exhaling, it empties out. So I did that just to be sure. And then during that, I started saying a mantra, calm mind, open heart, calm mind, open heart, calm mind and open heart, and just started to think how beautiful I am. Just looking on the past pictures of 2020, which is something I've been doing. And like sometimes I'll take pictures and I feel like I look not attractive in them at all. And then I'm glad I save them because I scroll through and later on I look at them like months later and I'm like, I looked so good that day. Why did I think I looked like crap? It's kind of crazy. So if you're hard on yourself, you could relate to this. I'm definitely hard on myself. So it's nice to find that sense of ease on yourself during your meditation and meeting your own energy and feeling your own essence. That's why meditation is so powerful. Honestly do like a 12 to 15 to 10 minute beautiful souls, but I had the extra time because I'm still feeling under the weather, so I don't have clients and stuff today and not doing so much because I'm still feeling a little under the weather. So that's why I decided. So when you can, do a longer meditation, and I like stillness. I sat on the couch to have the couch behind my back to help support. So definitely if you're a beginner meditator, make sure to have something behind you, because if you don't and you don't have that strength in your back, you will slouch. And the whole purpose of meditation is having an upright spine, crown aligned with your heart aligned with your pelvis, and try to relax. If thoughts enter, just see them as clouds, see them going by. Don't bring them any judgment or any attention, just pass them and try to come up with a mantra that signifies and speaks and radiates and resonates to you. A custom one, or you can find some on Pinterest, you can find some in books, you can find them everywhere, beautiful souls, or a prayer or affirmation of some kind. And you could just repeatedly say that to yourself. And at first you really hear your voice like it's kind of loud and like kind of like, okay, I don't know if I'm doing this right. And then as you go into it, about halfway in, I would say it starts to be like calm, soothing, and quiet, and you'll find yourself like escaping your own self and silencing and emptying out your mind, which is super, super amazing. I mean, I've had some great meditations, guys.
Joyous being of light. I am well-being. I am gratitude. I am all that is. I am healing. I am peaceful. I am loving.
Done with my journal, about 5 minutes, or just to where you feel like you're content with what you have to say. Gratitude, just the state of gratitude just overflowed with me today in my practice. And here's what I wrote to represent that. I know I am more than my body, but as of now, it's the container my soul lives in. And I need to make it a comfortable place for myself. My yoga practice reminds me to be open. Feeling my body open tells my mind to be relaxed. Such a beautiful feeling. No stress, no tension, no rest, just feeling and being. I am so grateful for yoga. It came into my life when I needed it the most. I was hurt, broken, and not honoring my body. Yoga is my sacred space. Yoga is where I can be free. So deeply in my body, so present in my mind, and so free. Boundless and connected. A greater well-being does exist. We just have to be willing to work for it. Thank you, yoga. Thank you for reminding me what true living is. For true living is simply being. Kind of get emotional. It's just crazy the contrast you feel when you actually service your body and surrender. And it really connects with the mind and just letting you know, like, don't take the upsets of the world personally. Everything's going to work out, and your body just feels that, and then it tells your mind that, and then you emanate it. Such a relief. Definitely a natural antidepressant. Just got to be willing to do the practice. Breakfast, Nala. Nala, let's go show them. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Mom. Let's go. Uh-oh, here comes brother, jealous. He jealous. Hello, beautiful souls. It's officially the afternoon. I showered, got dressed, just got my robe on because it's a cold day. I read my Dr. Dispenza book in the bathtub for about 15 minutes. I really love to read in the bathtub, so that's why I didn't record it for you. Keep in mind, this whole routine takes 1 hour. There's nothing like filling up your own cup, filling your own soul and your own essence before you give out to the external world. It's so gratifying. I hope you try it, or at least one task of the tasks that I shared with you. And let me know which one you think that you're going to try in 2021. I also wanted to invite each and every one of you to a workshop that I'm having co-hosting tomorrow with my friend Amanda, a vision board workshop. What the benefits of a vision board are, how to make a vision board, and we're going to guide you on some of the main the main blueprint of having a effective, productive vision board. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my other platforms, Facebook, Instagram, all the links will be down below. Also, a blueprint of today's morning routine will be down there. You could copy and paste it, screenshot it, try it out for yourself, guys. I love you so much, and remember to enter the giveaway, comment down below, share my content with a friend on your Facebook wall or through an email. Just screenshot it, send it to me, and I will enter you in to win the $100 gift basket of all my likes of 2020 are going to be in there. Peace, love, and light. Namaste.